Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of 3D modeling. Exercise number 13. First, select the new part. Then pick front plane for sketching. Then, under line command, select midpoint line and draw a line from the origin. Specify its dimension using smart dimension command. Now, select a 3-point arc and draw an arc at one end of the line. Then, again draw a line from the end of the arc. Specify their dimensions as referred in the manual. After completion of diamonding, select the first line and the arc and give the relation tangent. Similarly, select the baseline and the arc and give the relation tangent. Now, continue the sketch by drawing a line perpendicular to the baseline from the end of the previous sketch. Again draw an arc from the end of the line. Specify their dimensions as referred in the manual. Make the relation between the line and the arc as horizontal. Now, draw a fillet at the junction of the two lines. Specify its dimension as referred in the manual. Now, draw a center line from the origin and select Mirror Entities command. Select the entities to be mirrored and the mirror about the center line. Now, exit the sketch. We have to create a plane now. So, in Features, under Reference Geometry, select Plane. Select the top plane and select the end point of the plane. Now, select this plane and give Sketch. Draw a circle at the end of the sketch, which is the previous sketch. Specify its dimensions accordingly. Now exit the sketch and under Features option, select Swept Bars. Specify the profile at the sketch number 2 and path as sketch number 1. Hide the newly created plane. Our 3D part is obtained.